All right, welcome everyone. This is part 3 of the installation process for the rear trunk. First one was the top part. Second part was the Tesla emblem part. And now we're gonna work on this side of the car. Same thing as always, just make sure it's clean. Clay bar it if you need to. And let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and lay it out and you're gonna spray some slip solution underneath. Once you have that done, we're gonna go ahead and start peeling. You wanna peel from one corner and then just attach it. It doesn't matter where, just as long as it's on the car. And if you need a squeegee out, let's do that. Because what we're gonna do is we're just gonna peel from right here. And just take your time. Be careful of this part, the cutout. All right. Once you have it peeled out, make sure you pull it towards you and add some slip solution. All right, same thing as always, whenever you have an emblem, you're gonna go ahead and align that first before you continue doing anything else. All right, you wanna go ahead and align the emblem to the cutout. Once you have it aligned, you wanna go ahead and spray some slip solution on top. With your squeegee, just remove the water. And just to make sure it doesn't move, you're gonna go ahead and add some Tacky Solution. All right, once you have the dual motor aligned, you're just gonna go ahead and stretch upwards till you meet the body line on top. Once you have it done, you're gonna add some slip solution. And then you're just gonna squeegee out the water. Okay, you're just gonna go ahead and continue moving on down. All right, the next step, you're just gonna move on to the other side. Okay, so now once you move on to the other side, you're just gonna go ahead and stretch. Stretch until you get it to the other side. Once you do that, you're just gonna spray some slip solution on top and start squeegeeing out. All right, and if this sides don't want to stay down, you just add some Tacky Solution. And with your small squeegee, just go ahead and remove the water. And then just hold it for a bit, make sure it stays down. Go ahead and look over your work. If there's any bubbles, just try to squeegee them out. All right, and just remember to stretch to the other side. And if it wants to come back, just add some Tacky Solution to make sure it just stays down. Okay, and that concludes the installation process for this part of the trunk. And just remember, if you have any questions about the top and the emblem portion, they should be the previous videos. They should be down in the description. If you have any questions, just comment below. And with that being said, thank you for watching.